Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning and money is no longer a worry. Your bills are paid, your bank account is growing, and you're finally free to focus on what truly matters to you. Now, let me ask you, what's stopping you from making that a reality? Here's the truth. Your thoughts are far more powerful than you've been led to believe. They're not just fleeting ideas or daydreams. They're the seeds that shape your entire financial destiny. If you're stuck in a cycle of scarcity, it's not because you're unlucky or because abundance isn't meant for you. It's because the energy you're putting out is creating the life you're experiencing. For years, countless successful people have used the law of attraction to transform their lives. And today, I'm here to show you how you can do it too. In this video, we're going to break down the exact steps to use the law of attraction to make money, unlock financial freedom, and create the life you've always dreamed of. I'll show you how to set clear financial goals, align your mindset with abundance, and take inspired action to bring it all to life. But here's the key: you have to commit. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how the law of attraction works, but also have practical steps you can take today to shift your energy and start attracting the wealth you deserve. So, are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Let's get started. Let's start with something simple yet incredibly powerful: clarity. When it comes to attracting wealth with the law of attraction, the biggest mistake people make is being vague. They say things like, "I just want more money," or "I wish I didn't have to worry about finances anymore." But the universe, much like your mind, thrives on precision. Without a clear target, it's impossible to know where to focus your energy. Think about it this way. Imagine you're ordering at a restaurant, but instead of picking a specific dish, you just tell the waiter, "Bring me food." You're leaving the decision to chance, and there's no guarantee you'll get what you actually want. The same principle applies to your financial goals. If you don't define them, how can you expect to achieve them? Here's what you need to do: get specific. Take a moment to write down exactly how much money you want to attract. Is it $5,000 a month? $10,000? Or maybe you're aiming for a six-figure income. Whatever the number is, make it real. And don't stop there. Visualize what that money represents for you. What does your life look like with that level of income? What do you feel? Freedom? Security? Joy? The key here is to not just think about the number, but to connect it to a bigger purpose. For example, if you're aiming for $10,000 a month, think about what that money will allow you to do. Pay off debt, travel the world, start a business, or invest in your future. When you attach emotion and meaning to your financial goals, they become more than just numbers. They become a vision of the life you're creating. Your mind is like a GPS. If you type in "somewhere nice" as your destination, it won't know where to take you. But if you input a specific address, it will map out the most direct route to get there. That's exactly how the law of attraction works. By clarifying your financial goals, you're programming your subconscious mind to recognize opportunities, ideas, and actions that align with your vision. So, if you haven't already, grab a piece of paper or open the Notes app on your phone. Write down your financial target. Be precise. Picture it in your mind as if it's already yours. Feel the excitement, the relief, the gratitude. This is where your journey to financial abundance begins. You're not just wishing for money. You're creating a roadmap to attract it. And remember, the universe is always listening. The clearer your request, the faster it can respond. Now that you've clarified your financial goals, it's time to dive into something just as important: your energy. You see, the law of attraction isn't just about what you think, it's about what you feel. Your energy, your emotions, beliefs, and overall mindset acts like a magnet. It either draws wealth toward you or pushes it away. Here's a hard truth. Most people unknowingly repel money because their energy is rooted in lack. They obsess over their debts, worry about their bills, and feel anxious about their financial future. These feelings of scarcity create a cycle of negativity that makes it almost impossible to attract abundance. Why? Because the universe mirrors the energy you put out. When you focus on lack, you attract more of it. So, how do you shift your energy to align with abundance? It starts with belief. You must genuinely believe that wealth is not just possible for you, but that it's already yours. Picture this. Imagine planting a seed in a garden. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You trust that, with time and care, it will sprout. That's the same trust you need to cultivate with the law of attraction. One of the most effective ways to shift your energy is through daily affirmations. Replace negative, scarcity-driven thoughts with empowering ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never have enough money," affirm, "I am a magnet for financial abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and consistently." Say it out loud. Write it down. Let it sink into your subconscious. Another powerful strategy is to act as if you're already living in abundance. This doesn't mean spending money recklessly, but rather embracing a mindset of gratitude and confidence. When you're shopping, for example, instead of thinking, "I can't afford this," focus on the fact that you have options, that you're in a position to choose what aligns with your goals. Celebrate every financial win, no matter how small, and cultivate the energy of having, not lacking. Here's a little exercise. Think of something in your life right now that makes you feel abundant. Maybe it's a roof over your head, the food on your table, or even the skills and talents you possess. Focus on that feeling of gratitude and let it grow. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways to shift your energy because it tells the universe, "I'm ready for more." Finally, pay attention to the energy of those around you. If you're surrounded by people who constantly complain about money or believe that wealth is out of reach, it can be incredibly draining. Seek out people, environments, and content that inspire and uplift you. When you surround yourself with abundance, it becomes easier to embody it yourself. Aligning your energy with abundance is about stepping into the vibration of wealth, even before it physically arrives. Feel it, act on it, trust it. The more you embody abundance, the more the universe will reflect it back to you. Now that you've clarified your goals and aligned your energy with abundance, let's address a critical part of making the law of attraction work: action. Here's the thing. The universe can open doors for you, but it's up to you to walk through them. Simply visualizing wealth or repeating affirmations isn't enough. To attract money, you need to take inspired action. What does inspired action mean? It's not about working harder or forcing things to happen out of desperation. Inspired action comes from a place of alignment, where your efforts feel natural, guided, and purposeful. It's the difference between chasing opportunities in fear and embracing them with confidence. Think about it like this. If you were planting a garden, you wouldn't just scatter seeds and hope for the best. You'd water them, make sure they get sunlight, and pull out weeds when necessary. The law of attraction works the same way. You set your intention, align your energy, and then take steps to nurture the opportunities that come your way. Start by paying attention to your intuition. Often, inspired action begins as a nudge, an idea that excites you or a path that feels right even if it's unfamiliar. Maybe it's starting that business you've always dreamed of, reaching out to someone who could mentor you, or applying for a job that stretches your potential. Trust those inner urges because they're often the universe pointing you toward your next step. Another way to embrace inspired action is to look for ways to add value. Money flows to those who solve problems or bring value to others. Ask yourself, what skills, talents, or resources do you have that can help someone else? Maybe you're great at connecting people, creating solutions, or offering services others need. When you focus on giving, you create a flow of energy that naturally attracts financial abundance. Remember, inspired action doesn't always have to be grand. It can be as simple as learning something new, networking, or improving your craft. What matters is consistency. Small, purposeful actions build momentum, and that momentum creates results. The more you act, the more opportunities you'll notice around you, and the more aligned you'll become with the wealth you desire. Finally, don't be discouraged if things don't happen instantly. Success isn't about overnight results. It's about persistence and faith. Even when you don't see immediate progress, trust that every action you take is planting seeds for your future. The universe rewards those who stay committed to their vision. Taking inspired action is what bridges the gap between wishing and receiving. It shows the universe that you're serious, that you're ready. And when you combine belief with purposeful effort, you create a powerful force that will bring your financial dreams into reality. So take that first step today, no matter how small. Every action you take is a declaration that you're open to receiving abundance. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, If you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Now you know the truth about creating wealth with the law of attraction. It's not just about hoping or wishing. It's about combining clarity, alignment, and action to transform your financial reality. You've learned the power of setting clear financial goals, aligning your energy with abundance, and taking inspired action to make those goals a reality. But here's the most important part. None of this works unless you decide to start. Right now, you have a choice. You can keep living as you are, stuck in the same patterns, or you can step into a new reality, one where you have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Take a moment to close your eyes and imagine it. See yourself living a life of abundance and freedom. Feel the relief of financial security, the excitement of opportunities flowing to you, and the pride of knowing you made it happen. That life is within your reach, but it starts with a decision. Your decision. The law of attraction is always working, whether you realize it or not. The question is, are you using it to attract abundance or to stay in scarcity? Today is the day to take control of your thoughts, shift your energy, and take the inspired action that leads to prosperity. You deserve abundance. You deserve freedom. And you have everything within you to create it. So, take that first step. Write down your goals. Align your thoughts with gratitude and confidence. And most importantly, act, because action is where transformation begins. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs it. Like this video, subscribe for more insights on unlocking your potential, and let's start building the future you've been dreaming of. Wealth is waiting for you. You just need to claim it.